Hello everyone, welcome back to Beavers of B channel. And this is the second episode of Budget Micro Touring Car. In this video, I am going to improve the handling by fixing the suspension. This is an easy mod, but you have to be extra careful while doing this. Because if you mess something up, you will need to buy a new part to replace it. Let's get started. As we established in the previous video, suspension is sticky. There are two things that we need to fix. First is the sticky suspension arms, and second thing is the sticky ball joints. I'm going to skip the disassembling process and get to the fixing directly. To free up the suspension arm, first, clean the excess plastic off from both the arm and the bulkhead or gearbox. Then use 1.5mm drill bit to clean up the hole. Finally, check if they can move freely. If upper arm needs fixing, you can follow the same process by cleaning off the excess plastic first. Then, the drilling needs to be done on the arm, not the bulkhead. Once all the arms can move up and down freely, we can proceed to free up the ball joints. There are a few ways to do this. First is the safest and easiest way, by using pliers to massage the bowl cap. Take a sticky joint, then squeeze around the cap like this. Now look at the result. There are also places where you cannot do this, for example the lower suspension arms. For this, you either sizing the ball cap by using a ball head to polish inside the socket, which if you overdo it, the cap will become loose and the ball will fall off. The other way is to clean up the plastic ball heads of the wheel hub. As you can see here, there is a lot of excess plastic, so we have to clean it off. I scratch it off with art knife first. Then use very fine wet sandpaper, about 1000 grit, to smooth it off. Do not get a funny idea of using power tool to do this, because this is the easiest way to mess up a ball head, and you'll end up with a loose ball like this. And here's the result of all the hard work you just saw. Let's go for test drive to see if this improves lap times. It is a bit surprising that by fixing only the suspension, the car is almost 2 seconds a lap faster on average. As you can see, the lap times are more consistent now because the suspension works as it should. The car is still sliding around, but that is down to tires and dips. Total spent so far is still only the car and some sweet time to clean up the mess from the manufacturer. By the way, someone has noticed that this car in stage 1 was slower than 5-lap IW04M L-408 G6 that I reviewed, even though it has more than 3 times the top speed. This is down to how the car handles power. This car has very bad tires and too much power for a makeshift track, and I never go full throttle because it just slides off the track and goes straight to the wall. Join me next time where I spend some money on tires and we can see some real difference. That's it for this video. Please subscribe if you haven't done it yet and hit the bell icon to get notification whenever I upload a new video. Thanks for watching and see you again next time.